Whoa, there you are. What are you doing?
I'm saving a bird's life.
Oh, it looks just like you.
Before it wants to fly away. Pretty.
Where'd you get him?
In the window.
Ran into the window.
Yes.
Wow.
I can't say I've ever seen one like this before. And you want to see the belly? Look at the belly. The belly's all striped here too.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Put him on your shoulder.
No, I don't want him to fall. It's just a baby. So I'm thinking we're going to go put it on the hedge.
Okay.
And give it a chance at life.
Did you set one up here the other day?
Yeah, I did one. This one's still alive.
Oh, okay.
I can't say I've ever seen one like that. Look at that. Just beautiful.
Oh, and we got a horse too.
Oh yeah, can't forget the horse. Beautiful.